Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of mobile video editing with CapCut. I'll show you how to mirror your videos, a super handy trick if you accidentally filmed in the wrong direction or want to add a unique creative effect to your project. Let's get started. To begin, open the CapCut app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the plus button to start a new project. I've got my video ready here. Once your video is on the timeline, tap on the clip. You'll see a set of editing tools appear at the bottom of the screen. These icons include options like split, trim, and volume. Swipe to the right on these icons until you come across one that looks like a box with arrows pointing in opposite directions. This is the transform tool. Tap on the transform tool and you'll see three options pop up. Choose the one on the left labeled mirror. Instantly, your video will flip. To see how it looks, tap the play button in the top left corner of the screen to preview the mirrored video. If you want to flip it back, just tap the mirror button again. Remember, mirroring isn't just for fixing filming mistakes. You can also use it creatively to play with different sections of your video and create eye-catching effects. And that's all there is to it. Flipping videos in CapCut is super easy, and now you can add a new tool to your editing arsenal. If you enjoyed this tutorial, or have any editing requests, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!